Digital currencies have bit by bit invaded the standard cognizance and got some decent forward movement. Notwithstanding, a large number of them neglect to endure over the extreme long haul and will keep on doing so, gave it sees a mass reception. Whenever a progressive resource stepped in, this is conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority yearn for. Fun. Axie Infinity is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie Infinity is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and construct utilizing digital money. Players can acquire the Axie's crypto by playing the game, and Axie's tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT game editions huge fame around the world. Thus, this might help the general development of the environment and according to our Ethereum cost expectation. Through diversion, one could zero in on making more riches, which became obvious when the Axie Infinity convention was imagined. A game-in token intended to be a Axie Infinity shard token was made particularly with a couple to bring the diverse combination of cryptographic money advantages and gaming. All advantages of play are based on blockchain calculations where anyone has the massive chance of acquiring tokens with their value of gaming discernment, making more methods of tomfoolery way procuring. Being established on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie Infinity is based on Ethereum, organization. Also, this isn't all. There are limitless approaches to acquiring Axie, yet being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, i.e., blockchain remunerating players for commitment, is totally incomprehensible however, in the realm of Axie Infinity. So be prepared to partake in the play-to-earn upset called Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity, Axes. Defining infinite possibilities drawing motivation from Pokemon personality-based universe, Axie Infinity permits clients to procure tokens showing their gaming abilities, engaging, gathering, raising, and building a land-based realm for their pets. Every one of the resources and Axie hereditary information are just versatile by outsiders that license the whole ecospace of engineers to track down the premise of their own devices and encounters. Established as of late in 2018, albeit the Axie convention is still in an early phase of its origin, Axie has positioned the #1 Ethereum game and stays a top decision of everyday, week after week, and month-to-month dynamic clients. Being a significant income worker for Ethereum, Axie Infinity has produced north of 6,400 ETH up till now. From one perspective, Axie represents a gaming and diversion period, on the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem, wherein it sets out business open doors for masses and fabricates a mood of solid local area, cutting the guide to a feasible stage. Clients can claim the local Axie Infinity token of the Axie Commercial Center, gather them, and use them across a steadily growing universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie Infinity convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. Benefits of blockchain go past lines and constraints of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie Infinity, Axes, is set to make lives more engaged and speedy. In an interesting manner, Axie Infinity convention has additionally added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They likewise came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses or speed or pretend of agents. It completely centers around offering the clients the advantage of effective information move that would make their gaming and exchange. Nonetheless, going by the specialized cost examination, the Axie Infinity biological system has shown colossal potential, reliably exhibiting the secret potential. Axes today shows a significant recuperation, showing a seriously bullish example supported areas of strength for buy, in spite of the unfavorable digital currency market patterns. Rivaling partners like Stellar and Ethereum, Axie Infinity is positioned among the best 10 monetary forms. Axie Infinity, the local symbolic that is exchanged on different trades by a great many clients around the world, is yet to situate itself in the centralized server of venture commendable monetary standards in light of essential functionalities. This crypto resource is yet to build up forward momentum with financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its intrinsic potential. Axie Infinity technical analysis. With a market cap of $2,790,117,693.06 and an exchanging volume of $303,585,284.51, Axie ongoing cost activity reflects moderate revision. The Axie's cost weights around $45.88 and has many valid justifications to astound clients, according to the most recent news reports with respect to the NFT blast. Axie has an ongoing circling supply of 60,907,500 Axies, and the originators behind Axie are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie has a great deal of vows to view for its fans, according to their specialized investigation. In light of our Axie gauge, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for 2026 is $505.415. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 1,000.59%. There is a slump anticipated in the long haul, and Axie might lose sheen, showing a negative sign by the start of 2023, so fundamentally, this is the ideal opportunity to trade Axie or purchase Axie. As indicated by our Axie figure and specialized examination, the Axie's cost could stay in an upswing and cross $63.54 before the current year is over, which will make it a wise speculation. Axie cost has a promising future. It might get imperceptibly influenced, however bulls will be back, and around 2026, the anticipated cost of Axie might skyrocket to $3,462.061, making it a wise speculation, and the pattern proceeds. Axie cost, going by what it was in August 2020, sounds exceptionally bullish as it has shown a solid consistency. By December 2022, the Axie's cost ought to effectively swing around $53.172, making it a beneficial speculation. Independent of its reception, the Axie's cost confronted heat until January 2022. Going by forecasts that bulls might be back, Axie cost ought to wind up somewhat higher, say by 2024, $59.06, best case scenario, showing some obstruction level. Being founded on an intelligent calculation, Axie's future cost has both momentary assemblies as well as long-haul possible benefits. The cost might reach $163 end of December 2022, showing a dramatic moving normal. In any case, merchants ought to do their own examination prior to effective money management. A great deal of Axie projects are moving from the idea stage to the testing stage, and before the year is over, a lot of activities would have been finished. Subsequently, an overall bullish forecast of $72, empowering merchants to procure gain to sell Axie. Axie cost could fill triple in 5 years, in view of continuous turns of events, say by 2026, Axie cost ought to have a reasonable meeting around $272.18, showing long-haul procuring potential. Unpredictability is the innate trait of Axie, thus any kind of fantastical value expectation would be a tough undertaking. Be that as it may, going by the master value figure and feelings, the mindset looks quite good. Since the previous month, Axie, Axie's cost has mirrored a gigantic assembly. Will the most recent progressions assist the Axies with valuing to exchange higher? How about we continue with the impartial crypto figure for the Axies token? Axie price prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no abrupt shocks or a stony way forward for digital currency markets, Axie's token is good to go to certify areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its clients. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues black.